How to fix sounds not available on Instagram Reels after downloading the video. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily fix the sound not available on your Instagram Reels after you download that. So first let me just show you an example of what I meant. So let's say you want to upload your video. Simply click on plus icon and from there just select any of random your video and simply click on some songs that you want to add on your video. So let's say I want to add this song on this video. You can hear the sound. So and once you do that, so you can simply click on save, and as you can see I want to save on my camera roll, and you can read that you can still save your video but music will be removed. So this is the problem we are facing. So to enable it without having to use any third-party application or anything, what you can do is simply click next. Don't worry, just let me upload it. And once you do that, simply click on share and wait for some time for it to finish it up. And once it gets finished, simply head over to your profile section, and from there simply click on video, and there is a share icon, and just click on add to story button. And once you do that, what you can do is head over to your story section and you can just adjust it accordingly. And now what I want you to do is, as you can see, hear the sound like this. What I want you to do is simply click on this three dot icon and just click on save, and your video will be saved with your audio as well. So that's exactly how you can fix the sounds not available on your Instagram Reels after the video downloaded. So let me just show you from my gallery as well. As you can see, I am inside my gallery. So this is the sound without any, this is the video without any sound. You cannot hear any sound. So this is the video with the sound. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.